We'll start with secure attachment because that's really what we're aiming towards, right?
Yes, yes, that is our
So
goal. Yes.
that is our goal for sure. So, there's fortunate for them, people who grew up in a beautiful home whereby they did have a level of predictable, consistent emotional attunement from their caregiver, right? And that doesn't mean that the caregiver, let's say the mother, did everything right.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as everything right. But for the most part, the child was able to predict
Mhm.
that, when they needed help, when they cried, when they needed comfort, that would come to them.
Yeah.
And then as they grew up, they started to learn about emotions. They started to learn about emotional regulation, which is a life skill, right?
Yes, yes.
And they developed a set of patterns in their mind, healthy patterns that said, I have trust in myself. And I have trust that I can communicate, clearly what I'm feeling. And I also have trust in other people around me
Mm.
that they're going to take what I'm saying and they're going to respond in a healthy way. So that becomes their template, right? That gets patterned into their mind for how to give and receive love. So you can imagine these children, they then go out into the world and they do very well in
Mhm.
relationships. They're communicative, they understand their own needs, they really understand a balance between independence and, time with the partner. They understand boundaries very well. And so generally these folks are quite emotionally regulated,
Mhm. Nice and
right?
balanced, right?
Nice and balanced. They're usually very rational. And you will find them in long-term relationships. They thrive in long-term relationships,
Mm.
right? They're so well equipped emotionally to deal with the ups and downs and the challenges,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
there's our yeah, steady eddies.
The steady eddies, and whether you have a partner that's like this or not, you will have people like this in your life, either in your family or friends or work colleagues. Like,
Mhm.
you have people who they've been with a partner for many years and things are going well, and you can tell that they're you just when you meet them, they're almost calm, right?
Right, right, right. You feel a connection with them a lot quicker too. They're
Yeah,
open.
they're open and you feel safe around them.
Correct. Exactly. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Is you feel safe around them. That's it.
Yes, because they themselves feel safe in themselves.
Right, right. So they create that safe space.
Yes.